How to open N26 bank account in Germany. Follow the instructions. Download the N26 app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and select the option to create a new account. Enter your email address and create a password. Provide your personal details like name, address, and date of birth. Choose your account type, Standard, Smart, U, or Metal. Verify your phone number by entering the SMS code sent to you. Verify your identity through a quick video call or online ID check. Link your smartphone to the account through the app. Set up your security PIN for logging in and making transactions. Receive your N26 MasterCard in the mail within a few days. Activate your card in the app once it arrives. Fund your account via bank transfer or salary deposit. Thank you for watching.